Big Ben's Refurbishment. Affectionately known around the world as Big Ben and currently shrouded in scaffolding since 2017, the Elizabeth Tower is being repaired from the gilt cross and the orb at its tip to the bottom of its 334-step staircase. This is the largest and most complex conservation project in the tower's long history. Restoring the clock tower to its former glory, as well as modernising and upgrading facilities to make it fit for the 21st century, it's vital to ensure that this iconic building is safeguarded for future generations to visit and enjoy. The bells of Big Ben have been ringing for over 160 years, despite the effects on the building of bombing during the Second World War, as well as weathering effects and pollution. The clock tower was built back in the Victorian era to the highest possible standards, using the best craftspeople and the finest materials of the time. But like other buildings of a similar age, the Elizabeth Tower is suffering from problems that need to be overcome. Once the restoration is complete, the clock tower will continue to tell the time for centuries to come. An important milestone will be reached in the coming weeks as the gantry, which has supported the complex scaffolding structure and protected the rest of the Palace of Westminster during the conservation project, is set to be removed. Expert teams will carry out this work using specialist cranes. By May, the Elizabeth Tower will be free of scaffolding, nearly 4 years after the entire structure was first fully enclosed. The team will work to remove the gantry in stages using similar methods to when the structure was installed in 2017. An initial crane lift will take place from New Palace Yard in front of the Elizabeth Tower. A larger crane will then be positioned on Bridge Street to remove the remaining elements. The second crane lift will require the closure of Bridge Street to all traffic, though pedestrian access will be maintained. The conservation project remains on schedule, and in the coming months, the bells will be reconnected to the original Victorian clock mechanism, ringing out permanently once again. Once the restoration is completed this summer and the site is cleared, Parliament will resume ownership of the building and start to prepare its internal spaces for future use. Preparations, including the installation and testing of exhibitions and tour routes, are expected to be completed in the winter. To read more, visit our building refurbishment and fit out category.
Read more at TWinFM.com.